All right, in the final screencast, I'm going to add sound effects. And I have two sound effects. I have a golf ball swing, and a golf ball hole in cup, or, or ball in cup, I should say. So I'm going to upload those two files. So for you, they're going to be out on the F drive under Intro to Computer Science, under Sounds. For me, it's someplace else, but let me go find them. So I'm going to do Sounds, and I'm going to go to, let's see, there. So I'm going to scroll down to Golf, Swing, and then I'm also going to do um, and I think it's the golf ball and hole. Okay, so now I've uploaded those, and I'm going to add, under media, I'm going to add two sounds. One is going to be called, oops, no, I don't want to add I want to add two sounds, not a sound and a player. So, sound, there we go. So the one is going to, I'm going to call swing sound, and the other one I'll call ball in cup sound. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the sound that matches its description. Okay, and then every time they fling the ball, all we do is call the swing sound. So I go to swing sound.play. And then whenever the ball collides with the cup, I play the ball and cup sound. So that is right there. All right, that's it. Now you have a fully functioning miniature golf game for Android.